Welcome back to Prognosis EMR. In this video, we'll walk you through patient alerts, their purpose, how to view them, create them, and manage them effectively within the system. Patient alerts are memos at the patient level that automatically display across the system. In the EMR, they appear automatically on the appointment screen and during encounters. In practice management, they can be configured to appear at the claim level, EOB level, or on the patient account screen. Alerts may either be user-defined, which are created manually by staff, or system-generated, which are triggered by specific health or account-related scenarios. All alerts are read-only and do not appear on progress notes or reports. Patient alerts can be accessed from multiple areas in the system using the patient alert icon. In this example, we'll demonstrate them from the patient registration screen. A bright orange triangle on the icon indicates that at least one active alert exists for the patient, while a gray triangle indicates that no alerts are present. When you open the Patient Alerts pop-up, two tabs are available. The default tab, View Alerts, displays all alerts for the patient, regardless of who created them, and can be viewed by any user with access to the patient's chart. The second tab, My Alerts, displays only the alerts created under your login. In short, the alerts in View Alerts are system-wide, while the alerts you create or delete in My Alerts are specific to your own account. When creating an alert, first enter the alert message in the alert text field. You can also add predefined phrases by using the Insert Phrases search button. Next, specify an effective from date and an up to date. If no effective from date is entered, the system automatically assigns the alert creation date, making the alert active immediately. If no up to date is entered, the alert does not expire and remains visible until it is deleted. You can also define where an alert should automatically display by selecting from three options: Appointment, Encounter, and Billing. The alert will pop up whenever the patient's name is entered on the corresponding screen. In Appointments, it appears when scheduling or viewing appointments. In the Encounter screen, it displays during a visit when the chart is opened. In Billing, it appears on claims or the patient account screen. By default, all three options are selected for a new alert. You can keep the relevant options and deselect those not required. In this example, the billing team wants to remind staff that the patient must pay their out-of-pocket costs at the next visit, so they can set the alert to display at the appointment and billing levels. The alert is not required at the encounter level, as providers and medical assistants focus on patient care and documentation, and are not responsible for collections. Once you have entered the details and selected the display options, click OK to save the alert. The pop-up then closes, and the alert becomes active based on the conditions you set. Let's return to the Patient Alerts pop-up. The alert we just created has a future effective from date. When an alert is created with a future effective from date, it will only display starting from that date onward. However, you can still view it under the My Alerts tab. If an alert is not relevant to you, it can be hidden from the Patient Alerts pop-up. To hide an alert, select the checkbox under the Hide column and click OK. The pop-up will close, and if you reopen the pop-up, the alert will be hidden from view. You can access all hidden alerts by clicking the Hidden Alerts button. To make an alert visible again, select the Unhide checkbox and click OK. The alert will reappear in the pop-up. You cannot delete alerts created by others, but you can delete your own. To do this, select the checkbox for the alert you want to remove and click OK. The selected alert will no longer appear in the Patient Alerts pop-up. You can view the history of alerts for a patient by clicking the History button. This opens the Patient Alert History pop-up, which displays details of all additions, deletions, and modifications made in the alerts pop-up. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more help, please reach out to the Prognosis support team at support@bismaticsinc.com.